What happens when artificial intelligence crosses the line between machine and monster? In a terrifying twist of technology, China's military-grade AI is now allegedly being used in autonomous robots capable of targeting and even eliminating humans without warning. This isn't a movie plot. It's real, it's happening, and global powers are watching with rising fear. From AI-controlled drones to robotic soldiers on the battlefield, China's advancements in lethal autonomous weapons are raising serious ethical alarms. Is this the future of warfare or the end of humanity as we know it? Brace yourself, this may be the start of something big. H1 robot goes crazy. Chinese news: a wild humanoid robot attacking a man in public during a demonstration shocked the world. Unitree's humanoid robot H1 started moving randomly and assaulted a person, according to eyewitnesses. The event sparked social media discussions about future technology safety. According to the footage, the robot moved randomly and destroyed the controlling computer. Turning off the electricity stopped the humanoid robot. The corporation claims the robot did not lose control. It was striving to stabilize in unnatural conditions. H1's stability system adjusts to body and ground changes. The robot was given a safety cable on its head for public tests, as is customary. Experts say the mishap shows the robot's code needs to be adjusted for real-world conditions, not its malice. Despite its menacing appearance, the accident taught developers about the challenge of integrating technology into reality. Time-space airbike for the first time, a Shanghai robot lost control and caused 12 others to stop working and follow. Video of the event sparked social media uproar. Airby with artificial intelligence, a tiny robot, started an emotional conversation with a larger robot, and all the robots followed. But this was no coincidence. Video of the August 26th event in Shanghai was immediately posted on social media. It started off hilarious, but then it scared people. The video's originator and the Shanghai company whose robots were abducted corroborated its veracity. The Oddity Central portal claims Airby broke into Fern Robot's control procedures and opened their systems. The video interaction between Airby and the cohort of robots shows how AI may make spontaneous moves without an algorithm, which has huge implications for robot autonomy and cybersecurity. Imoga Morin at one of Shanghai's biggest auto shows, Chinese female robot Morin captivated the public and car enthusiasts. The OMNED Brands Pavilion at the show included a hyper-realistic humanoid created by automotive manufacturer Chery and a Chinese AI startup to promote its high-tech, futuristic crossovers. Morin stands out with her realism. Morin can speak more than 10 languages, including Chinese, English, Spanish, and Malay, but she's more than simply chatty. Morin greets customers, shows them the cars, walks them through the showroom, answers questions, displays new innovations, and serves refreshments. She's a robot and an interactive showroom greeter, redefining public-machine interaction. Chinese company Unitree Robotics released a video of their advanced humanoid robot, G1, demonstrating incredible pugilistic skills in April 2025. The film shows G1 training with a human trainer, punching drills, and sparring with another humanoid robot. Most impressive were its fluid, human-like movements and ability to stand up after falling, which machines struggle with. The G1 robot weighs 35 kilos and is 132 centimeters tall. Its 23 degrees of flexibility allow it to accurately perform complex moves including direct punches, rising punches, hooks, and front kicks. Imitation and reward learning power its improvement as it trains. It constantly improves its form, agility, and accuracy by watching humans. Unitree also announced the first humanoid robot boxing match in April 2025. Unitree Iron Fist King Awakening will be live-streamed online in mid-May. This is not only an amazing experiment, it heralds a new age in robots and AI technology, with humanoid robots becoming standards in technological demos, sports, entertainment, and maybe competitiveness. Digital artist Solomon Jagway's remarkable boxing simulation featuring a robot fighting a human is making waves online. What's not to like about robot boxing? Actually, it's how convincing everything seems. The animation was created using Wonder Studio AI, a cutting-edge program that replaces performers with synthetic avatars without sensors, suits, or green screens. No suits or sensors, just AI magic. The robot moves realistically in the video. It punches precisely, responds quickly, and moves nearly humanly. Everything seems natural, from blocking to countering punches. Modern AI and animation techniques brought the robot to life like never before. It punches precisely, responds quickly, and moves nearly humanly. Everything seems natural, from blocking to countering punches. Modern AI and animation techniques brought the robot to life like never before. Jagway's presentation is more than just beautiful. It's a glimpse into the future of AI-driven character animation and shows how far we've come in blurring the barriers between real and synthetic. Our proximity to living simulations. This AI-driven innovation is changing every industry, from movies to training to virtual reality. Atlas, Boston Dynamics' famed humanoid robot, has again impressed the world with its agility and athleticism. Atlas accomplished a difficult parkour course with ease and accuracy in a quick social media video. The robot vaulted over gaps between levels, perched on thin beams, and executed perfect backflips. All without pause. One of its most amazing feats was its human-like stability and control during each movement. This complex movement performance is the result of years of research. Atlas is designed for whole-body coordination. Its movements are real-time adaptations to its environment. Boston engineers test Atlas's body and mind with parkour. Parkour is one of the toughest mobility situations on Earth, yet Atlas handles it. Robots are being trained for real-world use, not stunts. Atlas' capacity to adapt and cross unknown terrain makes it suitable for disaster response, construction, and other high-hazard jobs demanding agility and quick decision-making. This is the future of robot movement, not science fiction. The Lynxy X2 humanoid robot, launched by Ajabot in China, has garnered attention in tech circles for its seamless walking and full-body mobility. The Lynxy X2 is a mobile humanoid that can walk on difficult ground without support, unlike stationary androids or seated assistants. The startup installed multimodal sensors to detect terrain, people, and objects in core AI for autonomous mobility decisions. It is being tested in open locations and has great potential for logistics, patrol duties, and high-end field research. The Lynxy X2 is for mobility, not talk. Correct regulated movement. Cassie, a two-legged robot from Agility Robotics, set a robot athleticism record. The Guinness World Records recognized Cassie as the first robot to race a 100-meter sprint. Usain Bolt holds the human record of 9.58 seconds in 2009, while Cassie ran it in 24.73 seconds. That may not be fast for humans, but for a two-legged machine without an upper body or eyesight, it's revolutionary. Cassie was built in 2017 using an Oregon State University platform. The rise of China's weaponized AI signals a dark and dangerous shift in global power dynamics. As machines grow smarter, faster, and more autonomous, the line between defense and destruction continues to blur. The question now isn't just about what AI can do, but whether we can control it once it learns to act on its own. The world is watching, and the future may depend on the choices made today. If this shocked you, hit that like button, subscribe for more urgent tech updates, and tell us in the comments, is AI becoming humanity's greatest threat?